everybody, this is Dr. Samiksha Kapila and today I am here to teach you about articles. Yes, articles. You must be using articles in your daily life, but you might not be even knowing that you are using them. So let us study what are the various articles and what are the various uses of articles. My dear students, there are two types of articles: definite articles and indefinite articles. Definite articles is the, whereas indefinite article includes a and an. Now we are going to study where are we going to use a, an and the. My dear students, from the very beginning of our studies, we have been knowing about vowels. You all have read about vowels. So what are the 5 vowels? Would you speak with me? Great, let us speak. A, E, I, O, U. Speak with me again. A, E, I, O, U. So these are the 5 vowels. All the words which start with vowels have to be spoken with an before them. I repeat, my dear students, all the words which start with vowels. For example, apple. Apple starts with A and A is in vowel, right? Ice cream. Ice cream starts with I and I is a vowel again. So I will say an apple. I will say an ice cream, an owl, an orange, an egg, an elephant, an umbrella. And all those words which start with other letters which are not vowels, that is known as consonants. Consonants are the alphabet or the letters that are not vowels. For example, B, C, D, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. All the words which start with these letters, which are known as consonants, will have a before them. For example, if I say garden, garden starts with G. So if a garden starts with G, I will say a garden. I will not say an garden. So what is the use of a? A will be used with the words that begin with the consonant sound. And an will be used with the words that begin with vowel sound. Now the question is, where should I use the third article? Which was the third article? The. The is the third article. We are going to study about 3 articles. I told you, right? A, and the. We have studied about a, we have studied about an. Now I will tell you where will you use the. So my dear students, the is used with proper nouns. The is used with unique things. The is used with repetitive things. For example, if I'm talking about Taj Mahal, if I talk about Taj Mahal is a proper noun. There is only one Taj Mahal in the whole world. So I will say the Taj Mahal. I will say the Taj Mahal. If I talk about river Ganga, so I will say the Ganga. Alright. Now if I'm talking about a common noun again in a story or in my conversation. For example, I talk about a flower. I say there is a flower in my garden, and now I'm talking about the same flower again. I say there is a flower in my garden. The flower is pink in color. Now you will say, ma'am, why did you use a before and the afterwards? Because in my conversation, when I used flower for the first time, I used a flower because flower is F is consonant, right? But when I spoke about the same flower again, so I will say the flower. So during repetitions also I am using the. And during proper nouns also I am using the. For unique things also I am using the. For example, the earth. For example, the moon. For example, yes, for one more thing, for uncountable objects like rain. You can't count rain. How many raindrops are falling? Can you count? Of course not. You cannot count. So you will say the rain. So now you have to remember, my dear students, that you will use the for unique things. You will use the for uncountable objects. you will use the for proper nouns and you will use the for unique things. Unique things, proper nouns, uncountable objects and repetitive things. Yes, repetitive things. Alright. Now I will teach you articles using some examples. So come with me. So my dear students, now I'm going to show you a chart, and in that chart you are going to see how different articles can be used with a, an and the. Are you ready? Great. So my dear students, you can see a chart, right? In this chart you can see I told you about the. Where do we use the? We use the for unique things, right? So can you see the sun? It is one. We don't have so many suns. We have one sun, right? So we say the sun. Now there is an umbrella over here. Umbrella starts with U and U is a vowel. So an umbrella. Apples. An apple. Why an apple? Because apple starts with A. Now this boy. He is a boy. He is a boy. Why? Because B sound is a consonant. It is not a vowel. So a boy. And this boy is eating an ice cream. So an ice cream. What is this? A table. Because table starts with T and T is a consonant. A chair. Because chair starts with C and C is again a consonant. Students, I hope your concept of article is clear, and to know more about articles and other grammar topics or English topics, please like and subscribe the channel. This is your own Samiksha ma'am saying goodbye. Have a nice day. Stay happy, stay safe. Happy learning.